problem statement. A steel rod with area 3 inches cube is subjected to two opposite axial stress forces, which is 25,000 pounds pull and 5,000 pound push. So required to get is the stress, axial stress. So given, of course, P1 is equals to 25,000, or this is the pull, and P2 is 5,000 pound, which is the push. And the area of 3 inches na naka-squared. So solution, P is equals to F pull minus F push. So plug in the F pull, which is 25,000 pull, 25,000 minus 5,000 is equals to 20,000. So the formula of stress is P over A. So since naana tayo P is ano siya? P over area is simply 20,000 pound over 3. So we can get actual stress is 6.667 psi, or we can just say 6.67 psi. That is the final answer. So for the next problem, we have a piece of N double shear carrying a load of 12,000 pounds. Cross-sectional area is 0.75 inches squared. So the required is the shear stress. So given V is equal to 12,000 pound, and for area is 0.75 inches squared. Note that this is double shear. It is already stated in the statement. So solution, V over 2A, we can get 12,000 over 2 times 0.75. So we put 2 since it's double share. So 2 times 0.75. So we can just simply calculate it, and you can solve and get this answer, 8,000 psi. So let's move to the next problem. So a beam has M is equals to 12,000 pound inches, and Y is 3 inches, and I for 200 inches to the fourth. Find the bending stress. So now we will be finding the bending stress. So solution, stress is equals to M times Y over I. We're just gonna simply plug in the value. So 12,000 times 3 over 200. So 12 times 3 is simply 36,000. So 36,000 over 200 is 180 psi. So we can find the final answer. So let's go to the next problem. So pin of diameter 1 inch carries a load of 15,000 pounds on a plate thickness of 0.5 inches per inch. Find the bearing stress. So given P is equal to 15,000 pounds and D is equal to 1 inch and thickness of 0.5 inches per inch, 0.5 inch. So we're gonna use this formula, so D times P, or simply 1 times 0.5 inches squared. So let's move to the to get the bearing stress. So P over EB, or 15,000 over 0.5. So we can solve the final answer, which is the 30,000 psi. So let's move to the last problem. So a solid circular shaft with a diameter of 60 mm is subjected to a torque of 1.2 kN, and the required to get is the maximum shear stress. So the maximum shear stress is simply 16P or torque over pi d cubed. So The torque is 1.2 kilonewton. So we're gonna convert it. So we come up to 1,200 Newton meter. So also the diameter, we will be converting it. So from mm to meter. So 60 mm is equals to 0.06 meter. So finally, we will be plugging. Let's plug in the value using this formula. Okay, so 16 times 1,200 over pi times 0.06 cube. So simply 16 times 200 is 19,200, and pi times 0.06 cube is 0.006786. And finally, we can get 28,300,000 Pascal, or we will get convert it to MPa. So we have 28.3 MPa. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.